Under pressure from global governments to do more to help fight COVID-19, the United States is sending much-needed medical supplies to India.
There are a number of areas that are of great interest and are of great need to India at this point in time. Oxygen is one of them. At India's request, we are exploring options to provide oxygen and related supplies. We've identified U.S. commercial suppliers of remdesivir that are immediately available to help relieve the suffering of COVID-19 patients in India. We've identified rapid diagnostic testing supplies, personal protective equipment, and additional ventilators.
On Monday, U.S. President Biden called India's Prime Minister Modi to discuss how the two countries can work together to protect their populations. India is experiencing one of the worst COVID-19 outbreaks the world has ever seen, and oxygen supplies are short. The U.S. and other developed nations have been under criticism for stockpiling vaccine doses while poor countries struggle. After weeks of hesitation, the U.S. now says it will assist India in boosting its vaccine supply. 53% of the U.S. population has received at least one vaccine dose of the Moderna, Pfizer, or Johnson & Johnson vaccines, and appointments are now easy to obtain. But vaccines from America's AstraZeneca stockpile have not yet been approved in the U.S. Still, the Biden administration will now make up to 60 million doses available for export to countries like India, following a government review.
Before any AstraZeneca doses are shipped from the United States, the FDA will confirm any such doses meet its expectations for product quality.
The U.S. is also sending a team of experts from the Centers for Disease Control to help India manage its crisis. The U.S. actions are reciprocal. India sent the United States assistance in the early days of the pandemic when the U.S. was hard hit. Now the Biden administration wants to return the favor. Medical professionals say the U.S. move is a good start, but more must be done.
What's needed in the long term is quite clear: a waiver of all intellectual property patents that control or that hinder global distribution of the COVID vaccines and other COVID-related technologies.
As India battles its COVID crisis, some countries and airlines have banned flights to and from India. But the White House says it has no plans to ban travelers from India to the United States. Kimberly, Halkett, Al Jazeera, the White House.